Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel's special lecture on sleep. Today we're embarking on a journey to unravel the mysteries of one of our most fundamental, yet often misunderstood, biological needs. We're calling this the vanishing shadow, because for so many of us, good sleep feels like a fleeting shadow we can never quite catch. But I promise you, by the end of our time together, you'll have the tools to bring that shadow back into the light. Have you ever wondered why we even need to sleep? It might feel like a waste of time in our fast-paced world, but sleep is actually our body's master repairman and brain's ultimate data processor. Think of it like this. During the day, your body and mind are in a constant state of activity. You're working, learning, moving, and experiencing the world. This creates a lot of metabolic waste in your brain and causes wear and tear on your body. When you fall asleep, it's like a highly efficient cleaning crew and a team of expert technicians come in to get everything back in top shape for the next day. So what exactly happens when you close your eyes? Sleep isn't just one long passive state. It's an intricate dance through several stages, each with a unique purpose. First, you drift into light sleep, where your muscles relax and your heart rate slows. This is the gateway. Then you enter deep sleep, also known as slow-wave sleep. This is the crucial stage for physical restoration. Your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. If you've ever woken up feeling physically refreshed, you can thank deep sleep for that. After deep sleep, we enter the famous REM stage, which stands for rapid eye movement. This is where the magic happens for your brain. Your brain becomes highly active, almost as if you're awake. This is the stage where most of your vivid dreams occur. But it's not just for entertainment. During REM sleep, your brain consolidates memories, processing the information from your day and deciding what's important enough to store long-term. It's like organizing the files on your computer, deleting the junk and saving the important documents in the right folders. This process is absolutely essential for learning, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. Without enough REM sleep, you might find yourself feeling forgetful, irritable, and mentally foggy. The problem is our modern lifestyle is often a direct assault on this natural process. We live under a constant barrage of artificial light, especially the blue light from our screens, our phones, tablets, and computers. This blue light is a master trickster. It fools our brains into thinking it's still daytime, which suppresses the release of melatonin, the key hormone that tells your body it's time to wind down and get sleepy. Imagine trying to go to bed while someone is shining a bright light in your eyes. That's essentially what scrolling on your phone in bed does to your brain. Then there's caffeine. Many of us rely on it to kickstart our day, but its effects can linger for much longer than we realize. Caffeine has a half-life of about 5 to 6 hours, which means if you have a coffee at 3 p.m., a quarter of that caffeine could still be active in your system at 9 p.m., actively blocking the receptors in your brain that signal sleepiness. It's like putting a block under the brake pedal of your car. It just won't stop when it's supposed to. Stress is another major culprit. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, the fight-or-flight hormone. This is great if you need to run from a tiger, but not so great when you're trying to drift off to sleep. A mind racing with worries and anxieties keeps your body in a state of high alert, making it nearly impossible to relax and enter the restorative stages of sleep. It becomes a vicious cycle. Stress causes poor sleep, and poor sleep makes you less resilient to stress. So how do we fight back? How do we reclaim our sleep from the clutches of modern life? The good news is, it's entirely possible, and it starts with building a powerful and consistent sleep routine. The first and most important step is creating a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. This helps to regulate your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Your body thrives on routine. Next, let's create a sanctuary for sleep. Your bedroom should be for sleep and intimacy only. This means no more working from bed or watching TV. You want your brain to associate your bed with one thing: rest. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, use an eye mask, or try a white noise machine to block out disruptive sounds. A cool temperature, around 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit, is optimal for sleep, as it helps your body's core temperature to drop, which is a natural signal for sleep. Now let's talk about the hour before bed. This is your power down hour. Turn off all screens. I know it's hard, but this is non-negotiable for quality sleep. Instead, engage in relaxing activities. Read a physical book, not on a tablet. Listen to calming music or a podcast. Take a warm bath. The rise and subsequent fall in your body temperature after a warm bath can help induce sleepiness. Practice some light stretching, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. These techniques help to calm your nervous system and shift your body out of fight or flight and into rest and digest mode. Pay attention to what you eat and drink. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. While alcohol might make you feel drowsy initially, it severely disrupts your sleep later in the night, particularly REM sleep, leaving you feeling groggy and unrefreshed the next day. If you're hungry, a small light snack like a banana or a handful of almonds is a much better choice. Getting some natural sunlight exposure first thing in the morning is also a game changer. Just 10-15 minutes of morning sunlight helps to anchor your circadian rhythm, signaling to your brain that the day has begun and setting you up for a better night's sleep later on. Regular physical activity is fantastic for sleep too, but try to avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime, as they can be overly stimulating. By implementing these strategies, you are not just trying to sleep more, you are actively improving the quality of your sleep. You're giving your body and brain the opportunity to perform their essential nightly maintenance. The benefits will extend far beyond just feeling less tired. You'll notice improved mood, better focus, a stronger immune system, and enhanced cognitive function. Good sleep is not a luxury. It's a fundamental pillar of health, just as important as diet and exercise. It's the foundation upon which your physical and mental well-being is built. So I challenge you tonight to start reclaiming your sleep. Pick one or two of these strategies to implement. Maybe it's putting your phone away an hour before bed, or establishing a consistent wake-up time. Start small, be consistent, and listen to your body. Treat your sleep with the respect it deserves, and it will reward you tenfold. Thank you so much for joining this lecture today. I hope you found this information valuable and feel empowered to transform your relationship with sleep. If this has been helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content designed to help you live a healthier, happier life. Sweet dreams.